Very good morning to everyone. In this lecture, CS8601 Mobile Computing Unit 3, today we are going to discuss about the topic distance sequence, distance vector. So, distance sequence and distance vector is one of the proactive protocols, routing protocols. In each node, maintain the routing information for all known destination. This routing information must be updated periodically in the mobile node and also the base station node. The traffic overhead even if there is no change in network topologies, and it maintains a route which are never used. It keep the simplicity of distance vector. Now it guarantee the loop freeness. The new table entry for decision sequence number, and it allow fashion reaction to topology changes. It make intermediate route advertisement on significant changes in the routing table, but wait with advertising of unstable routing, that is a damping fluctuations. So the distance vector protocols, routing protocol, it is a table entries. Now we can move to the sequence number, that is it originated from distance destination, ensure the loop freeness, and install time. When the entry was made, it used to delete the stale entry from table. And the third one is says the stable data point, the point to a table holding information on how the stable or route is. It used to dump fluctuations in the network. So the destination A or the next stage, next port is a A. What are the metrics? There is a shortest path distance is a 0, and the sequence is a to 550, and the installation time on the stable data is a port A or port B. In this advertise to each neighbor's own routing information, that is a destination address and metrics. So metrics is nothing equal to number of hops to destination and the destination sequence number. So the rules to set the sequence number information on each advertisement increases own destination sequence number. Use only even numbers. If a node is no more reachable, increases the sequence number of this node by 1, that is add sequence number and set matrix infinity. And we have to see the DSDV route selection. In this update, information is compared to one routing table, and the select route with higher destination sequence number. This ensure to use always newest information from the destination point. So it select the route with better metrics when sequence number are equal. So that is we can see the routing table. The destination point A and the next A and the matrix is a 0. What about the sequence? So this is a node of routing table driven method, and also the B and also the C, and also the we can find out the destination is continuous processing. So the A to C, the source to destination, that is a source is a terminal and C is a destination terminal. The source to A, what about the metrics and what about the sequence to be transmitted to receive the destination point? So the route selection is one of the path selection, and it minimum distance, that is a distance sequence of minimum vectoring. So you can see the another route advertisement. So in this route advertisement, it is a immediate advertisement, that is a information one new route, broken link, and merit changes is immediately propagated to neighbors. And the second one, full and incremental update. In full update, send all routing information from one table. Incremental update, that is a send only entire that has changed. It is fit into a single packet. And then the DSDV new node, you can see the structure of new node. The first A is a node, and we can travel to the C and D. It insert the entry of D with sequence number D000, then immediately broadcast one table. And then D broadcast for this first time send the sequence number of D00 is a response information to the neighbor cells or neighbor node. And the continuation of the distance sequence, A node, it can be traveled to the C and D. It is a neighbor node of B. It can be the B get the new information and update its tables, and it is the information's value of the destinations node and the next node and then matrix 2 or 0 or 1. This is a path matrix, distance of the path matrix. In the C is increases it is sequence number to C592, then broadcast it new tables. Now we can move to the DSDV, no loop and no count to infinity. In A destination point, to move from D, the B is a neighboring node and also the C is a neighboring node. So the A to B and B to C and C to D. So the information of destination point D and then state, destination state, and then next state is a 2 and destination and the matrix is a 2, the sequence data sequence is 100. So it's passing through the neighboring node of C and B and A. So the B does it broadcast no effect on C. So the C knows that the B has state information because C has a higher sequence number for destination D. And similarly, the node C detect the broken link, it increases the sequence number by 1. It only case where not the destination set the sequence number, that is an odd number. And then immediate advertisement process, the DSDV, that is a D2A, the response information state information response to send to A, is the same node distance shortest path vectoring node algorithm. So the immediate propagation B to A, it update the information as higher sequence that replace the table entry. And then on next data, the immediate propagation to C to B, it update the information as higher sequence. That is a propagation of C to B. And also the third one is that the node C detect the broken link. It increase the sequence only caused where not destination set the sequence number is odd or even. Now we can find out the problem of fluctuations. What is the problem? So the entry of D in A, the DQ14, the data sequence D100. So the D make broadcast with the sequence number in the next state D102. It receive from P update the D15 D102. It entry for D in A, the DB15 D102. A must propagation this route immediately. A receiver from Q update D14 D102. It entry for D in A, the state of the next state is a D and then Q and 14 and D102. Yeah, must propagate this value. Yeah, must propagate this route immediately. This can be happen every time D or any other node does it proper broadcast and lead to unnecessary route advertisement in the network. So it is called as a fluctuations. Now, what is damping fluctuations? How to damping? How to damping? The record lost and average settling time of every route in the separate routing tables, that is a stable data. The settling time is equal to time between the arrival of first route and the best route with a given sequence. A still must update his routing table on the first arrival of route with a newer sequence, but he can wait to advertising it. The time to wait is propagated to be two. It like fluctuations in larger network can be dampened to avoid the unnecessary advertisement, thus saving the bandwidth. Still, it must update its routing table on the first arrival of route with a newer sequence, but he wait advertising it. The time to wait is propagated to the average setting time, like the fluctuations in the large network can be dampened to avoid the unnecessary advertisement, thus saving the bandwidth. So, in this lecture, we have to completely discuss the entire respond to the topology of distance sequence, destination sequence, and distance vector protocols. Thank you for watching this video.